you might have commented on certain videos and you wanted to make some edits in your YouTube comments. So where can you find all those comments? So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find all your previous YouTube comments, whether on other videos or on your own videos. Again, I'm going to show it to you in two places, one in the computer and one in the mobile. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more followers in your YouTube account. Without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let me show you how you can find your comments or search your comments inside your YouTube account. Let's go. So now you're at your computer. Open up YouTube in your browser. So you can see here at the left side. This is easier compared to mobile, but let me show you the computer first. Okay, so usually the menu will be hidden depending on your settings. So I've keep it open and then you click on history. And these are all the history or the show that you watched. Then you go to manage all history. Then you can see comments, and here you can see the comments that you have commented. You can see that my comments are mostly on my video, replying comments if I got time, but sometimes I comment on other video as well. So they're all here. It's very easy for computer. It's all at history there. Okay, now let's jump into my phone. It's a bit different, but yeah, let's go. Okay, so first of all, open up your YouTube app. Then you go to the bottom right. When you see you, there is where you go to your profile. Then you go to top right. You see a gear icon. Click on it, and then you can see manage all history. Click on it, and then you go to your account history. Then you'll be history, controls, and interaction. Feel free to explore. Go to interactions, and then you go to comments and replies. Click on that, and there you can see all the comments that you have. Okay, you can click on the picture to go to the video so that you can watch the video again or just reply accordingly on your comments. If you want to cancel, just click on here, and then you'll delete this activity. Okay, if you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more followers. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.